Hello friends. Today I'm going to explain how you can use ChatGPT more effectively for Ubuntu. Let's get started. Firstly, we're opening our terminal. The first code we'll write here will be the command sudo apt update. This command will assist us in updating our repositories to keep them current. The second command is sudo apt install snapd. This command installs the Snap Package Manager, which is designed for Linux systems. Snapd provides faster installation, more secure operation of applications, and handles processes like updates. Lastly, the command that will install ChatGPT on your computer is sudo snap install ChatGPT Desktop. Now that we've installed it on our computer, we can press the super key and type ChatGPT Desktop in the search area to launch our program. This feature will be a lifesaver, especially for those who are new to Ubuntu. It will make tasks like installing and uninstalling applications, researching error codes, and everything a newcomer to Ubuntu might need, much easier to explore. If I have helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Until the next video, take care and goodbye.